Everybody, clap with us! This is so much fun! Let us finish together!
Is this my microphone?
Dad, I think it is.
Oh, I hope so. I am not a singer.
You can still try.
What if I sound funny?
The show is starting! Where is Dad? He is backstage.
Dad, you are next.
Me?
Right now? Yes. Go on.
Why is everyone looking at me?
Because you are the star.
Oh, no. Hello, everyone.
You sound great!
Really? Where did the music go?
The music system stopped.
What do I do now? I can sing without music.
Keep going, Dad.
I will try.
I found the problem. Can you fix it? Yes, watch this.
Why did my voice get so big?
Because everyone can hear you.
That is amazing!
That is your father. He is doing so well.
I am very proud. I am not scared anymore.
That is my dad.
Thank you, Maya.
Dad, sing with us.
You want to join me?
Yes, it will be fun.
Ready to sing?
Ready!
Let us do it!
Everybody, clap with us! This is so much fun! Let us finish together!
Thank you, everyone!
That was wonderful.
I cannot believe it.
Dad, you won.
I won the prize?
Yes, you did.
This prize is for you.
For me?
You gave me courage.
What a wonderful night! Oh, Dad became a singer! And he surprised everyone!
This is for your brave performance.
Thank you so much!
Never be afraid to try.
Did you enjoy our story? Please like
And subscribe! See you in the next story!
Hi everyone, moral of the story, you do not need to be perfect to be brave. Sometimes you just need to try. Do not be afraid to try, be you and yourself. Thanks for watching.